charger ne-twin plug, bahamba waconfessa wayenzani, bamnikeza ifoni emaseleni, bamboleka ifoni emaseleni ukuthi afonele impintshi yakhe, bayohlangana etawuni bam-excuse aphethe ifoni yakhe isefoni i-charger, hamba nayo 17 hours, bathi kuphuka imoto. Bathi iphukile imoto mokunomakhenikhi because vele uma uyisigebengu uyahlala naso until balungisa imoto. It's not like uzofonela i-backup ukuthi bakulande ngenye imoto, no. Bahlala naye abulokhu aphethe i-cellphone, i-charger, i-twin plug. You see, so into esifunde manje lena mesingazi ukuthi emaseleni uyakhona ungena nazo, because let's face it, emaseleni uhlala with Christians ababulalayo, abatshontshayo, abarepayo, yabo, all this kind of crimes. So untanzi ungena i-cellphone, i-charger, i-twin plug, angazi ku-wall socket uthole, but that's not a point. Uhlele nabo bangamtshontshela ifoni yakhe, wangabafonisa abantu basejele, wafonela abantu abaspecific, zangafonela abantu kade asebenza nabo, colleagues, neighbors, yabomakhelwane, ufonela abogogo for ma 40 seconds, like ufonela acela iphoyisa ukuthi lumlethele impahla, mara ukhuluma ne-girlfriend yakhe, yabo, yonke into yenza sense. So on behalf of that, ngiyavuma ukuthi I know ngiyahluleka ukucabanga, ngidom, ngistupid, just like umuntu ushonile televised South Africa yonke, hey, usuzwile emaphepheni, ama-Facebook, ama-WhatsApp, and then ufonela ka-Vodacom ithi ngicela ukushaya i-sim swap. That makes sense. And i-sim swap ibe successful, never mind ukuthi it's a female to male, check ama-voice ukuthi no khona into engambi kahle, never mind ama-security question, mospanisa i-contract, kuthiwa what kind of package oyitholayo, because kune-airtime, kune-data kuphela, kune-airtime ne-data nama-SMS, maningi nje ama-package. Khona abakhokha 1000, khona abakhokha 250. Babuza those kind of packages, babuza ukuthi ukhokha nini kanjani, what mongekho ku-contract, bakubuza your last recharge, idatha ojwayele ukulifaka ulifakelani, your last cell phone, what the last time ushaye i-sim swap, what was the reason. But somehow bakhona ukwenza i-sim swap, then life goes on, yenza sense. Just like a mastermind ukhokhe 100,000, untanzi bamnikeza 45,000, accused number 1 35,000, which means laba bayi-3 baselling at 20,000, but ibalo zangishaya. But ke siphume kule kantanzi-ke ne-cellphone nomji yakho, because silinkile ku-crime scene ukuthi kahle kahle u-short sense, ulebu, mji yakho, intombi ezika, yeah. Anyway, so accused number 3 maka 25 kilometers away, following day 18 kilometers, but 20 minutes drive. Makes sense vele, so George to Vosloo is not that much distance, 20 minutes drive. But again, ngoba mina ngidomuke, ngihlule ukucabanga, ngistupid, umcimbi kaZungu ufitha kanjani kule category, yabo. But ngingangiphenduli ngoba ngiyazi ama-answer ngizowathola, ukhuluma amasimba, msunganyoko, golo, uyahlanya, usupport igebengu, wena uzokhala ngathi ngihlala ku-YouTube ngithi no, mabagwetshwa is fine, mabangagwetshwa is fine. But ke iphathi kaZungu, because uZungu according to yena uhambile wayepatrol ayi-1, wahamba waye eJozi, wabuya sekaphethe i-private car yakhe, wafaka isibhamu ebhegeni, wayinikeza igebengu, because that happens. Bahamba bayothenga utshwala ngepolo unebovu ka-accused number 5, bayi-5 plus noZungu, then babuya-ke baphuza utshwala baphela. Phele kanjalo utshwala, uZungu wasitholela iskate, bahamba futhi bayi-5 accused, uZungu plus nentombi yakhe, kusho ukuthi kule polo uno. Anyway, bahamba bayothenga utshwala nani. So njengoba noma ka 25 kilometers away, and umcimbi mase-Vosloo, ne-robbery yenzeke e-Vosloo, umuntu odomas, hayi ngiyahluleka ukucabanga. Serious, aze ngisilima esiphindeke kathathu. Umuntu 25 kilometers away eJozi, umcimbi use-Vosloo, 20 minutes away to a-crime scene. So yiphi khona baye ku-crime scene, into engekho kahle kahle, i-crime scene ayikho or umcimbi kaZungu awukho, because it seems like my maths is not balancing. But anyway ke sibonile ke futhi ukuthi iku-confession show ntanzi, hlanganisa iplan la le 100,000, sure naye washo wathi hayi ngizwile emuva ivoice kaCarlos, the same Carlos othe wena ngikwazi uhlala phi mara bayakwazi ukuthi wena uhlala phi, uzonya wakhuluma wayenzani. Yeah, lo Carlos lo wathi izwile ivoice yakhe, but 26 October uNtanzi didn't communicate with anyone. Like I said, mina ngidomi ngihlele ukucabanga, ngisupport igebengu whatever it is. So ngiyavuma ke ama cellphone record ukuthi mabakhuluma noNtanzi dololo, ama cellphone record mabakhuluma noZungu dololo, ama cellphone record nokukhuluma noKelly Khumalo dololo. Mastermind or robbery, mina ngi-stupid, so I don't know yabo, I don't know. But again, according to ivision yabantu basendlini, uCarlos bamenzela amasimba ama-crashes bamshaya mntana abantu yo. So bamshaya ngama-crashes, bamshaya phethe isibhamu kongadubuleka anyone but uSenzo. I believe usukumile wasithinta wabuyisela isibhamu sakhe wahamba wayethatha iselfoni echajini washaya amakhumbi, but angazi-ke mengingekho-ke lapha ma-revision yabantu abasendlini. Now abantu basendlini they don't know who shot Senzo, in spite ukuthi abantu abayi-2 baphethe isibhamu, omunye babamshaya ngimbhamu ekhishini, omunye babamshaya ngama-crashes, but they don't know who shot Senzo. I-confession thiwa uSenzo ushaya uCarlos ngesitulo, Carlos wadubula uSenzo, yet abantu abasendlini they don't know who shot Senzo. Azi is like nale Polo Vive Silver, because kwathiwa abantu babalekele epark namaphoyisa mawafika 3 hours later bathi babalekele epark, baye epark bayizungeza